Hey guys, welcome back to J-Rock Yoga. My name is Jess, and today in this video, I'll be taking you through a bedtime yoga flow. So throw on your snuggly clothes and get ready for a nice sleepy adventure. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put out a new video every single week. Without further ado, let's get snuggly. Okay, so today we're gonna get started in a nice cozy seat. Hopefully you're in something nice and comfy, nice and warm. We're going to come to our sitting bones and just sit cross-legged in an easy seat. Let's close down our eyes. Hands can be on our lap. Maybe they're in the lap or maybe they're on our knees, whatever feels the most comfy for you. And we're just going to, at first, start to take notice of our breath. And just notice that you are breathing, and if you're not and you're holding your breath, let's start to actively breathe. And then together, let's take a nice deep breath in through our nose, and a nice long breath out through our mouth. 2 more of those. Inhale, nice and deep. Exhale. Last one, breathe in. Open the mouth. And then just return to your normal breath, allowing any worries of the day to be flowing out with each exhale. Allowing yourself to come into this present moment and just exist here as you are, no judgments. Tapping into your soul essence of loving kindness, of brightness. And keeping the eyes closed, let's place our right hand on the ground to our right side and sweep the left arm up and over our ear. We're just gonna stretch the left side body. Maybe you blink your eyes half open and start to look up underneath the left armpit. And then inhale, come on back to center. And exhale, left hand down, right arm up over your ear. Either eyes closed or gently gazing up under the right armpit. Inhale, come on up, back to center. And as you exhale, both hands are going to come over to the right side of you. And we're going to transition to all fours, sitting back into our child's pose, letting forehead come down onto the mat. Let's take a few slow breaths here. And just allow yourself to feel safe and calm. Releasing the day and committing fully to your practice and your breath. On your next inhale, we'll just gently draw the body up to a nice tabletop position and then walk the arms out a little bit in front of us. Gently bending the arms and sending our belly all the way down onto the ground. Untucking our toes, and we'll take our hands underneath the shoulders and we'll inhale to a nice little cobra pose. Exhale, look over your left shoulder. Inhale to center. And exhale, look over your right. Inhale to center. And exhale, let's just gently come all the way down, forehead on the earth. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, looking over left. Inhale to center. Exhale, looking over right. Inhale to center. And exhaling all the way down, forehead to mat. Good. Inhale, rising up. And as you exhale, push through the knees, come back to your child's pose, take a little rest. Breath in and breath out. On your next inhale, let's come all the way up to all fours. We'll extend our left leg back to the back of our mat. If I need to move up a little bit because I'm towards the back of the mat, but we'll extend the left leg back and we'll flex the foot so that the toes are tucked. Coming into a nice little calf and hamstring stretch here. We'll take an inhale here, and as you exhale, just gently press back into the left heel, stretching, elongating, Maybe we sat all day, this might feel good, or maybe we did a lot of walking. Good. Take one more inhale here. Exhale, press and stretch. And then inhale, come back to center and pull your left knee in toward the core, toward the nose. Give yourself a hug and just gently step your left foot in between your hands. Good. The right hand stays on the ground, and we're going to inhale our left arm up toward the sky. Really opening up through the heart, taking a nice gentle twist. Breath in, really reaching, and as you exhale, gently leaning back. Good. Let's take one more breath here. And as you exhale, left arm over left ear, taking a nice side body stretch. You should feel this from armpit all the way down to your hip. Inhale, stretch, and as you exhale, let's bring your left hand back. Press into the hands, pick your left knee up, and send both knees back. Child's pose. Inhale, come all the way back up to all fours. Exhale, hold. Inhale, we'll extend the right leg back, flex the foot, and press the ball mound on the mat behind you. We're going to press through the heel here, and you should feel a nice deep stretch in the back of your right leg. So deep breath in and out. Inhales. Exhales. Let's take one more breath. Exhale fully. And inhale, let's lift our right leg up. And exhale, just gently pull the right knee to the nose until you can step it in between your hands. Maybe it takes a couple more steps than one, that's okay. Anchor your left hand and inhale your right arm up toward the sky, reaching the right fingertips up. Good. Nice deep breath in and out. Inhale. Exhale. On your next inhale, let's sweep the right arm over your ear, stretching from right armpit all the way to right hip. Really stretching, really extending and reaching. And then slowly start to frame your right foot with both of your hands, picking up your right knee. Child's pose. Deep breath in and out. We'll inhale, come all the way up to all fours. And we're going to slowly tuck both toes and walk the hands forward. Take an inhale to prepare, and as you exhale, let's lift into your downward facing dog. Start to bend the left knee as we straighten the right, and then bend the right knee as we straighten the left. Let's just start to walk our dog out. Nice deep breaths in, nice long breaths out. Relaxing our head and unclenching our jaw. Just taking a little walk here, nothing too strenuous. Good, bend the knees just a little bit, press deeply into the hands, getting a nice traction in your back. We'll take an inhale, lift all the way up onto your tippy toes, and then slowly start to walk toes all the way up to hands. Inhale to your flat back, and exhale, fold. Bend the knees. Let's grab onto opposite elbows here and hang in your ragdoll. Let the head and neck go. You can stay still, or maybe you start to sway the upper torso to the left and to the right. Just letting go of the tension in your neck. Shake your head yes, shake your head no. Allow the weight and any thoughts that are weighing on you to fall out the crown of your head and be swept away by a river beneath your feet. Good. We'll slowly release our fingertips down to the ground. Let them drip down. We're going to walk our hands just gently in front of us and inhale to a flat back. Exhale, hold. And inhale, bend into your left knee. Reach your right arm up to the sky for a nice twist. Good. Breath in and breath out. One more inhale. And exhale, come on down to the fold. Inhale, walk the hands forward, come into your halfway lift. Exhale, hold here. Inhale, bend into your right knee, and then sweep the left arm up to the sky, taking a little bit of a twist here. Breath in And breath out, nice and gentle, nice and easy. Let's take another breath. And as you exhale, fold forward. Inhale, let's bend the knees even deeper, sinking our sitting bones all the way down to the ground. Good, we're gonna move our sitting bones to the center of our mat, and we're going to extend our legs out in front of us. I like to move the fleshy part away from the sitting bones just so I have a stronger foundation. So if you like that, you can go ahead and do so. And then we're going to take our right foot into the left inner thigh. Good, let your right knee drop out and open. Flex the left toes towards your face just to start, and then inhale, lengthen up the torso, reach the arms up over your head. And as you exhale, fold forward, lead with your heart, so keeping a flat back. If having a straight leg doesn't work for you, you can go ahead and bend that knee. No big deal. The act of folding forward is what kind of helps us get into that sleepier dream state. It helps us to transfer into our nice, calm nervous system. So it doesn't really matter if you have a straight leg or a bent leg for that. Just try and let go. You can round the spine naturally and take a few breaths here. Slowing everything down. Let's inhale to just look up and come to a flat back. Exhale, hold here. And then inhale, crawl the hands back and extend your right leg as you draw your left foot into your right inner thigh. We'll start with the right foot flexed. Rotate over the elongated leg, and then inhale, sweep up, lifting from the bottom of your rib cage. As you exhale with a flat back, lead with the heart, fold forward. Remember, you could bend the right knee if it's too much to have it straight, and just gently round the spine. And just notice if you have any thoughts floating into your head, that's okay. It's our brain's job to have thoughts. Our meditation or our yoga practice, our moving meditation, isn't to kill thoughts or to get rid of them. It's actually just to be able to stay focused and stay present and allow the thoughts to come and go without holding on to them. So really, instead of trying to turn off the thoughts, we're trying to practice non-attachment towards the thoughts so that they don't affect our present state of being. Softening with each exhale. Inhale, let's come up halfway. Exhale to hold. And then inhale all the way back up. Let's extend both legs out. Give them a little shake. Flex the feet back towards you. And inhale, float up. Exhale, lead with the heart. Fold forward. Remember, knees can bend if you need. Reaching for feet. Maybe hands are on ground or maybe hands are on shins. Do what feels good to you. And then let's round the spine. Relax your head and relax your neck. And just allow yourself to really let go here. Allow the sound of your breath to take over the thoughts. And if you wander off on a thought like a floating cloud, then just remind yourself of your breath. Remind yourself of a sensation in your body and come back home. Let's inhale to come up halfway. Exhale, hold. Then inhale, rise all the way up. I'm going to scoot myself a little bit forward. I'm going to reach the arms out in front, hollow out through the core, and one vertebrae at a time, we're going to make our way all the way down to our backs. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Good work. Let's pull the knees in. We're going to bend our knees and grab the outer edges of our feet for a happy baby, pressing the heels up toward the sky and drawing our knees down outside the rib cage. Good. So I'd like you to think about lengthening the crown of your head toward the back of your mat, like a very micro tuck of the chin, and then knees down as heels press up. Breath in and breath out. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to slowly release our hands from the feet and extend the legs nice and long. Again, there can be a bend. You can point or you can flex, whatever feels good. Hands can come to the inner thighs for Supta Upta Visha. Okay. We're going to slowly release our hands from the outer feet and straighten our legs, coming in for our wide straddle. You can have the hands outside supporting the thighs or the hands inside. And just taking a moment, if it does feel okay, you can take your first and middle finger and grab your big toes and just straighten the legs that way. Maybe a little rock left and right. If it feels better to have hands on inner thighs, that's okay as well. Take a few breaths here. Then we're going to slowly bring the soles of our feet to touch and let the knees drop out to either side of our mat. Take your arms into goalpost or cactus arms. We're going to make our way into a little bit of 3-part breathing. So we'll take an inhale, breathe into your belly. Hold that breath. Inhale, breathe into your lungs. Hold. Inhale, breathe all the way up into the sternum. Hold. And then open your mouth, sigh it all out. 2 more. Inhale down into the belly. Hold. Sip a little bit more into your lungs. Hold. Sip a little bit more into your sternum. Hold. Open your mouth. Last one, breathe into your belly. Hold. Breathe into your lungs. Hold. Breathe into your sternum. Hold. Open your mouth. Release the legs nice and long. Release your arms nice and long. Preparing for the final posture of shavasana, or in our case, sleep. Release control of any muscle locks you may have. Release control of your breath and take rest. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope this practice helps you get a restful and peaceful night's sleep. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much, and then you won't miss any new videos. I put out a new yoga video every single week. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at jrockyoga on Instagram and TikTok, and my website is jrockyoga.com. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me, and I will see you next week.